Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what are some simple summer lawn care tips? This is a question that we get a lot. So you want to have a good looking yard for the summer. Now, here are some tips that you don't have to be some crazy lawn care guru, or you don't have to just spend tons and tons of time doing it. To have a good looking summer yard doesn't take a whole lot of work, it just takes consistency. You'll want to cut your grass about 3 to 4 inches tall, only removing about a third of the blade at a time. This will allow your grass to have a nice thick canopy and will also choke out some of those lower lying weeds. You'll want to water properly. You'll want to water and put about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water on your grass each week. Make sure you're watering deeply. This will help establish a good foundation with a good thick root system. Watering for shorter amounts of time makes the grass weaker and more susceptible to disease and pests. You'll also want to use a good summer fertilizer, one with at least a 50% slow release nitrogen, kind of like our ProGrow. And these are all the tips that I have for today, because I know my neighbor watches these and I definitely don't want him showing me up. I know who you are. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Watering in shorter intervals. I can say intervals. Watering for shorter interval, and god dang it.